How to download Fortnite on PC or laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Fortnite in your PC. So first of all, just go to the incognito window and here just search for Fortnite on the search bar and just click on enter. After that you will see these two links. First one is the Fortnite official website and the second one is through Epic Games. So you can either go ahead and download the Epic Game launcher in your PC, and through Epic Games you will be able to download your Fortnite in your device, or you can either go to the Fortnite official website and download the game from there as well. So I'm just gonna click on the first link and it will redirect us to the Fortnite official website. So just click on download from the top right, and now it will ask you to Fortnite download in via Epic Launcher or Amazon Luna streaming or other platform. So you can select the platform as per your choice. So let's go ahead and select Epic Game Launcher. Now as you can see that the Epic Game Launcher is downloading in my device, and once your Epic Game Launcher is downloaded in your device, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on the search bar and just search for Fortnite, and after that just select the Fortnite, and here you can see the game. All you have to do in order to download the Fortnite game in your device, just click on get, and now it is started loading and it will get downloaded in your device. And now you can see that you have to check the box to agree the terms and condition of Epic Games, and as you can see that the Fortnite game is for $0 and for free, and you can go ahead and click on place order. So this is how you will be able to download Fortnite in your PC. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.